if you are watching this video today on December 13th, then you are helping me celebrate a very special day. It's my birthday. It's also celebrating the 6-year anniversary of Tried, Tested, and True, this YouTube channel, and I am just so grateful that you have joined me on this journey, and thank you so much for continuing to watch, for watching my old videos. However you got here, I just want to say thank you. In that time, we have grown so much together. I've grown so much as a person. Back in the day, my babies were literally babies, and now they're big kids, and it's just so wild how much we have all grown and learned together. And I just want to thank you for being part of my journey. Back when I started this YouTube channel, everything was unknown. I had no idea what I was doing, and I was just really trying hard to make good resources for people and to help them have more joy and confidence in the kitchen. Since that time, I've been able to connect with so many of you, and millions have watched the videos and visited the website and purchased the book, and I just want to say thank you so much for including me in a meal or special memory or just a couple minutes of your life. I know your time is really valuable, and so I really appreciate that you've been here. In that time, I've also authored 2 cookbooks, which I am so super proud of, and I'm so grateful for you, for your support, for continuing to sell them out every single day. And I'm just so honored that you would spend your hard-earned money to support me, my family, and my business. And because we are celebrating my birthday this month and the anniversary of this YouTube channel, I wanted to do something very special for you. Through the rest of this month, I am offering my latest cookbook, Enjoy 101, plus pressure cooker recipes for everyone at the deepest discount I've ever offered. I really don't think I'm even making money on this, but I really want as many people to have this book as possible because honestly, it's amazing. This book is really like my love letter to you, to my audience, to everyone who has been there with me on this journey. It's got my story in here, it's got never before seen pictures, it's got a pressure cooking 101 for every single way that I like to explain how someone can easily use the Instant Pot at home. This isn't just like a technical user manual, this is really how I would explain to a friend if they came over to my house today and asked for help using their Instant Pot. In this book, you've got tons of guidance as well as a cleaning guide, and I love this page. It's the best beginner recipe page. I take you through 5 of my favorite recipes that you can make in order, because then it stacks like the skills that you have on each of these recipes, and it helps kind of advance you through a very simple recipe through a little bit more of an advanced recipe, but it's going to give you confidence in using your Instant Pot in different ways. Along with that, we have over 101 incredible recipes, and every single one has a photo, multiple photos, a QR code where you can scan for links to a video or a full extended blog post with tons of tips and information, as well as pro tips on every single recipe. The sale will run through the end of the month, so please grab your copies, hopefully in the next couple of days if you want them by Christmas. They are $22 shipped, and that includes the shipping, and I am so excited for you to get it. It's gonna be such a great resource for you. I love that it lays flat. I honestly grab it out of my cabinet every single day to look at a recipe, look for a specific kind of like ratio or a time that I'm using in my kitchen, and I'm just so grateful that you have supported me in this time, so I wanted to give back and offer a really good price on this cookbook so that you could have it in your kitchen too. Again, thanks so much for being here. I'm so appreciative of you. I hope that you have a very safe and healthy and happy holiday season, and that you know how much we as the Childs family over here in Salt Lake City, Utah are so grateful for you. Happy holidays, and again, thanks so much for watching. Bye.